Welcome back to Nico Brothers. Today we're back at the auction where we looked at this excavator and we actually bought it. We are still missing the bucket and some other little things, but hey, it moves and it started. We didn't have to jump it or nothing. So I'm pretty excited. Let's go ahead and go back to the shop. We still got a 10-hour drive and maybe we're gonna pick something else up because we still got room on the trailer. We did get this big trailer so we can maybe haul something else, but we're pretty much gonna go and hit the road. So let's get straight to it. All right, just like that, we got back to the shop. It's actually the next day, or it's been a day or so, but now we're ready to start working on this thing. So last time we pretty much drove this thing. We drove it on the trailer, drove off the trailer, you know, and we noticed that the bucket was missing. So we went ahead and went to our local Yanmar dealer and picked up some parts, you know, got a diagram, because I've been trying to work the little bucket thingy and it wasn't working. So I got some diagrams. We're gonna pretty much take apart this machine. We're pretty much towing this machine with that big trailer we had. It towed no problem. I mean, that truck and trailer did really good. This thing only weighs like 8,000 pounds, so it's not...
Yeah, not bad at all.
I've definitely towed a lot bigger and heavier things, but pretty much today's game plan is to take apart the skid steer or the excavator.
Excavator, yep.
And we're gonna see if we can probably change the fluids in it. We got a diagram, we bought a bucket, so we're gonna see if we get the bucket installed, maybe drive around, dig a hole, who knows. Pretty much, we wanna see if we get this thing running, because it does run, but it doesn't run all the way. So let's go ahead and diagnose it and go from there.
All right, guys. So we're basically gonna take these panels off to see if there's any hidden damage behind there. Who knows, it's cuffed up a little bit, so maybe we'll find some broken wires or something because our bucket is not working. So we got ourselves the solder stick connections just in case we do find some ripped wires or something going on. Go ahead and solder those back together. It's pretty sweet. I'll leave some description down below. Check that out. But yeah, let's see if we find any hidden damage in this thing and get it going. All right, Evan, what do you see? Oil filter, 4,756 hours. That's a lot of hours.
That's not what I'm seeing. What I'm really seeing is the water damage. So you can kind of see there's corrosion right there on the connections.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's why your bucket isn't working.
Yeah.
So it's not that it's torn or ripped and just seized up.
You see the red?
Yeah. Wow. A little relay right there?
Yeah.
Somebody just need a whole new relay.
Let me go get a flat scooter. See all that stuff that came out?
Yeah.
All the connections. So there was water.
Yeah, look how dusty it is, or dirty.
That's probably normal. That probably helped it being all greased up.
Yeah.
But I think the control panel's right here, the fuse box. So here's the fuse box. The cover. See, it had corrosion right there.
In the bottom, yeah.
Maybe somebody switch out the guys. Over here's the starter. So the starter's good. But let's go ahead and, oh, look at these connections. These connections are not looking good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that broken wire.
Broken wire. That makes sense.
So let's go ahead and, so we want to pretty much take apart those connections, clean them. We got some, it's like a battery cleaner, electrical cleaner, clean it. We're gonna coat it to make sure it's not gonna continue rusting, clean everything up, and see if we can get it to work, because it runs.
I mean, yeah, I feel like 80% of it's working.
So let's go ahead and take apart all that stuff and see what we find.
All right, guys, so we have here our oil filter and fuel filter straight from the dealer. This one's the fuel filter. Let's go ahead and try to get that going. Shouldn't be too bad. I see it right there. They actually wrote down the year. So last year, but not bad at all. That shouldn't be a big deal. And there's the other filter right there. I just have to find out where to drain the oil, but we'll figure that out. Getting it done, do some maintenance on it, service it. Might as well. We're gonna need it here to dig holes and fill in holes. I need it at my house, and we definitely need it at the shop. Oh yeah. Fuel filters go out all the time. I mean, get some bad diesel and these things clog. I think it's diesel, right? I think it's the same thing. Fuel filter. Interesting color. Kerosene? What is this? What kind of fuel is this?
Red fuel.
Red?
Off-road diesel.
Off-road diesel? Oh. Off-road red diesel, that makes more sense. Yeah, what to do, Ivan. Have fun. Okay, he's doing that. I'm doing the fuel filter and oil change. Looks like the oil actually isn't bad at all. I'm just saying, considering the water damage, so no water got into the engine. That looks like a nice, healthy diesel oil right there. Go ahead and plug that up. Add the new filter and new oil. Maintenance done. Honestly, pretty straightforward and simple with this so far. Never did an oil change on an excavator before, but just went underneath. There's the drain plug, there's the oil, there's your level. I mean, that's so nice. Are all heavy duty equipment like this? I don't know, but so far so good with this.
I mean, it does run and drive, just not everything works on it.
Yeah, but overall the maintenance,
pretty easy.
Very easy. Look at that right there, pretty good. I mean, some cars, they take out the dipstick. It's like you have to go to the dealer to get it changed and serviced. So it's silly. But this guy, do it yourself. Yeah, it looks pretty good right there. I mean, maybe a little bit more.
So we gotta start it, let it run.
Yeah, and check it again. But we got oil, we got filters, air filters, fuel filters, all sorts of filters.
Yeah, because I already fixed my wiring and kind of put it back together. So let's see if it starts up again.
So we got some maintenance done, and we got some new wires done. Hopefully it'll do better than before. Let's check it out.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, beeping's nice. Wow, fired right up, just to die again. Probably had air in the lines.
Yeah.
That's normal. Priming the fuel a little bit. Man, our jump box just keeps beeping.
Oh, we have power now.
We have power? You didn't have power before?
No.
These
So
are new beeping?
That's good, though. What I fixed, I think, well, I found bad wires on the wire diagram. I didn't really understand which one's for what, but anyways, we found some bad wires, we fixed them up. And before I wasn't getting power to this, now I'm getting power. So maybe we could put our new bucket on.
Hey, hey.
Well, let's hopefully start this thing first.
Yeah. Let me check the oil level.
Yeah. We want power.
Need more power. Probably still got some air in the line. All right, guys, so basically we just got a car, jumper cables, battery keeps dying. But now we're able to start it. Let's go ahead and start it, Ivan. Any luck? Oh yeah. Running like a champ, new oil, new fuel filter. Just gotta figure out how to get this bucket to work. So the idea is we want this guy to squeeze open and close, I guess, right? Is that how it works? Kind of live and learn, guys. But that is moving, no? Whoa, okay, Evan, take it easy. This guy, dangerous. So how do we get this bucket out here? Who knows?
All right, so pretty much we're gonna keep looking into why the bucket thing's not working, but we can go ahead and put the panels back on it, and maybe we'll move it around a little bit. We're gonna check the tracks, see if the tracks are nice and tight, because that's like the responsible thing to do. So let's go ahead and try that.
So there's a brand new bucket from the dealer. Pretty sweet, as long as we can figure out how to attach it to the excavator. Like a video game. Don't damage the truck, Ivan.
No, hook the chain to the chain.
I'll take it. Swing out. There we go. Okay, Ruben, drive forward. A little sketchy. Why are you hovering it over the cars? One way to dig.
Spin it around.
Huh?
Spin it around.
Yeah. So close. Okay. Ah. Go down. Yeah. Missed it. Almost got it. There he goes. There it is. Now what?
Yeah, you gotta make the cylinder go in.
Make the cylinder go in.
Huh?
Push the button over our
It is backwards now. It won't do it.
That's backwards.
What's backwards?
This bucket's on our backwards.
Why is it?
You
Oh.
don't dig that way.
You don't dig that way. Flip it around, Ivan.
Twist.
Okay, yeah, you're almost there. Man, what a game. A little towards you. There it goes.
Now, whoa, whoa, whoa. Get nowhere near it.
Okay.
You gotta get off that much.
Well, I mean, it doesn't open.
Yeah, you can make it open.
Woohoo!
Get the cylinder and do it manually.
Where is this, Scrubs?
Cylinder that manual.
1 second. So no luck, guys. Who knows? We're gonna play around with it. Check the tracks. Yunmar. We'll get it. Bucket's there. Really close. Don't hit the cruise, Ivan. Got a dinosaur. So what are you doing?
Picking it up.
Cool. No way. Let's do the rear end first, maybe. Okay. Oh yeah. Give it more gas. You're off the ground.
Am I?
You're off. You were off the ground.
Huh.
Oh yeah, you're good.
What do you want to do?
All right, so we got off the ground. Let's check the slack. Doesn't look that bad.
It doesn't look that bad.
Let's check the other side.
Pretty good slack, I would say, for the tracks. It's not bad. I'd say it's normal.
I say they're pretty even. Maybe that one has a little more because see how these are staying in there? Maybe grease up that one just a little bit. Yeah. This one's,
It's got a place to tighten it, doesn't it?
yeah.
Somewhere caked in that mud.
Yep.
Not bad.
There'll be a cylinder with a grease fitting on it.
Yeah, I think it's it.
Before you do that, because it's hitting the dirt.
All right, so here we have our grease gun and our fitting. We got a little bit of play. All we have to do is grease it up, you know?
And that gets rid of the play?
It pushes the rod or something, and it you know, spruns it. It might be low, but it did. We're good. Look at that, much better.
Nice. A little bit of grease and get it done.
Oh man.
All right, guys, so it's pretty interesting. I mean, the tracks are pretty done, but overall, we can't get that bucket on there. I don't know what's happening. Is it a relay? Is there a special sequence we're supposed to do? Hit the right set of buttons? Who knows? Leave some comments down below, guys. We're definitely first-time excavators. You know, we're figuring out, though. I'm mechanically inclined, so we'll figure it out, hopefully. But like I said, if you know what's going on, write it down below. I'd appreciate it. Let us know if it's a good deal, bad deal. What's the price?
We still haven't told how much you paid for
Oh,
it.
yeah, that's right. You guys have been hanging on till the end to find out the real price. So there it is. Good deal, right?
I think it's a good deal.
I think it's a good deal. I mean, heavy equipment's always expensive. So I don't know how much, you know, they go for used, but hey, it's hard to find online. And You know, building a house or shop renovations always need some heavy equipment. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, leave some comments down below. How do we get this thing attached to the bucket? Catch you next time.